So in the given sum, you can observe the diameter is given in meter. We have to convert it into the centimeter. So we convert it 1.75 meter, 1.75 meter into 175 centimeter. Therefore, radius is equal to half of the diameter, 175 upon 2. Now height is given 3.2 meter, which is converted to centimeter. We got 320 centimeter. So conversion of meters into centimeter we have done. Now we have written the formula for the volume of the cylinder because it is a cylindrical water tank. Therefore, we use here volume of the cylinder. Formula pi r square h. Now fulfilling the values, substituting the values, volume of the water tank is equal to 22 upon 7. Value of r is 175.2, 2 times because it is square, and into height 320 upon 1. So by dividing we get calculation of the numbers 22 into 175 into 25 into 80. We get the answer, that is 77 lakh cc. Now 1000 cc is equal to 1 liter. Capacity is asked in liters. So we convert again cc into liter. 1000 cc into 1 is equal to 1 liter. So 77 lakh of the cc converted into, dividing by 1000, we get 7700 liters. So therefore, the capacity of the tank is 7700 liters. So this is the sum we are solved and we got correct answer. Okay, next sum, the length of the chord of a circle is given to you. Distance of the chord we have to find from the center. Then radius is also given. So if you draw the figure for that, we have a circle. Then we take a point over there, which is the center of the circle. Then we have to take the 16.8 chord. So we draw the chord here. Suppose this is 16.8. We name that chord, and we also draw the height, or we say distance of the chord from the center, that is perpendicular. Now we name these things. AB is the chord, M is the point at which the perpendicular drawn from the center O. So OM is the distance of the chord. Now radius is also given to you. We take the radius OA. Suppose OA is the radius. Radius is given 9.1 centimeter. Now as we know that perpendicular drawn from the center, that is distance, bisect the chord. So chord has two parts. 16.8 divided by 2, we get 8.4. 8.4 cm. So now here we have right angle AMO or AOM is the right angle triangle. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, 9.1 is the hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can find the side OM, which is the distance of the chord from the center. So thinking, this kind of thinking we can do, logical thinking, and do the sum now. Ready? So here we are solving the sum. Let point O, let point O be the center of the circle. Okay? And AB be the chord, be the chord and sec OM, which is the distance of the chord from center perpendicular to the chord AB. Now, what are the measurements over here? Length AB, chord AB is equal to 16.8 given. Okay. Length OM perpendicular to the chord AB. So therefore, length AM, we want length AM, half of the length of chord AB, perpendicular drawn from the center bisect the chord. Here we can write down the reason. Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle. What it does? Bisects the chord. So this is the property of the perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord. Okay. So therefore, AM is the half length AB, 16.8. If we divide, we get 8.4 cm. So here we got length AM is equal to 8.4 cm. Any question? Now in triangle, in right angle triangle, triangle, that is triangle OAM, by Pythagoras theorem, what we got here? Hypotenuse square means OA square, which is radius, is equal to side 1 square, that is OM square, length OM square, plus side 2 square, that is AM square. So OA is 9.1, square of 9.1 is equal to OM square. It is not given, we have to find that. And AM we got 8.4 square. So therefore 9.1 square minus 8.4 square. Side change, sign change. This rule we have applied. So by the expansion properties, expansion formula, A plus B into A minus B is equal to OM square. Product of that is OM square. So 9.1, 9 plus 8, 17.4. 17.4 plus 1.5, 17.5 into 15 or 7, 0.7. 91 minus 84, 11, 8, 11 minus 4, 7, 8 minus 8, 0. Point is there, so 0.7 is equal to OM square. Calculate this. 7 35 चलित 3 7 49 52 चलित 5 5 12. 2 decimal places are there, so AM square is equal to, so therefore 3.5. 35 is the square root of 1225. So 12.25 having the square root 3.5 is equal to OM, that is length OM is equal to 3.5 TM. That is. Okay, any question, any queries? So here we solve
No, sir.
from OM is the distance of the, therefore OM is the distance. So the distance of the chord from the center of the circle is how much centimeter? 3.5 centimeter. Okay, any question, any queries? This is the sum. 3.5 centimeter. OM is the perpendicular from the center to the chord, which is the distance. It is also called the distance of the chord from the center. I hope that you got the idea by drawing the figure how to solve this sum. If you draw the figure, we get that a right angle triangle is formed, and by using Pythagoras theorem,